RIP Twitter stock symbol. All right, Elon Musk has officially completed his $44 billion takeover of Twitter, declaring the bird is freed on his own Twitter account. Several executives, including CEO Parag Agrawal and CFO Ned Siegel, have reportedly been let go. Joining us to discuss is Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keena. Alexis, wow. Coming out of the gate hot here is Elon Musk, right? Wow, just wow.
Yeah, so as Julie said, stock now suspended. It will be delisted today, preparing to delist right now. It ended up closing the stock at $53.70, so just shy of that $54.20 price tag that Elon Musk is paying. But now come the questions, and you raised one of them already, which is, who will run Twitter now that it's a private company? You had 4 top executives already let go. The CEO, Parag Agrawal, CFO, Ned Siegel, head of legal policy, Vijaya Gadde. She's the one who's been controversial. She banned President Trump. That was her decision. Also banned political ads on Twitter, and also had blocked that New York Post story that Hunter Biden had arranged a meeting between his father and Ukrainian businessmen. Also, Chairman Brett Taylor also gone, or has at least changed his LinkedIn profile as of today. So who's going to be running the show here? That's a question we want answered. There are more. What's the cost to let these now fired executives go? And there are probably others, at least as far as those 3 employees that we talked about. Under the merger agreement, they are entitled to more than $200 million in compensation. They own their own stock already, right, which Elon Musk will be paying for in this deal. Plus, in the merger agreement, they have golden parachutes. That's accelerated vesting of stock worth about $120 million between those 3. Plus, they get a year of salary.
Sounds like a promotion, Alexis. This is great for them.
It's
this
great.
Is amazing.
I bet they walked out and they're very happy.
Right.
Some people saying maybe they're disappointed, but I'm guessing no, that might not be the case. But another cost that could hit Elon Musk's bottom line that I'll definitely be watching is whether the U.S. government will want to do some sort of investigation, a CFIUS investigation into the foreign assets that are helping fund this deal. That could still happen, right? These types of investigations don't have to come before the merger closes. So certainly that's one aspect that could be coming in the future, though the White House has so far said that that's not the case right now.
And so with all of this culminating to this point in time, it's a question of who else he's going to bring in as well. We know that the board of directors, whoever he selects, is not going to receive compensation later on down the line, too. So there's compensation of the people going out the door, plus what is going to potentially take place when he finally does put together his team of people as well.
Yeah, and look, he's not really under any obligation to form any particular board per se. So we don't know. There are just so many questions swirling around. There were lots of text messages that were exchanged between Musk and his business associates, his friends, some of them, about who would take the helm of Twitter if he did take it private. But we'll just wait and see. Those were all just speculation and kind of texts going back and forth that were revealed in the litigation.
And in terms of what Musk is going to do, one of the big questions, of course, is will Donald Trump be invited back to the platform? Yeah. I guess the second question is, will he accept? He has said he wouldn't, but he says a lot of things and then he changes his mind on. And then there's the question of the banning and shadow banning. Interestingly, Musk in the past hour or so replied to a user on Twitter who said that they were shadow banned, right? This is the practice allegedly under which if you search for someone, they don't come up immediately,
the
right?
algorithm doesn't.
And exactly. Yeah. And Musk said he was going to be digging into this today. So he's getting right in there.
Yeah, and there were also some reports that Musk has already brought some of his engineers from his other companies over to brainstorm and ask questions of engineers already employed at Twitter about how to go forward. That is something that he also was talking about privately in his text. He was saying that when he was talking to Twitter's now gone CEO, he was saying, give me access to your engineers. I want to talk to them because I want to understand fundamentally how this works. He ends up in those text messages getting very frustrated because it seems like he walks out without the answers that he wants.